Top productivity companies to watch in 2022. 1. Asana. Asana is a great work management platform created to enhance teams and organizations, track their tasks, and manage their work. The software suggests workflow solutions like project management, goal management, agile management, task management, increasing productivity, work management, project planning, and to-do lists. 2. Trello. Trello is a web-based software supported by Coinbase, Google, Visa, and many other large companies. The software is great for list making, managing projects and workflow, and tracking tasks. You can also assign tasks, access timelines, productivity metrics, calendars, and perform many more activities. 3. Slack. Slack is perfect for improving workspace communication. This messaging program was designed for office use, but is also used as a personal communication tool. With the help of this platform, you can create virtual workspaces and effectively communicate in channels or one-to-one chats. Slack fits every type of company, from IT and engineering to customer service and education. 4. Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is another great platform for enhancing communication. It allows you to arrange video conferences, meetings, and online calls. Thanks to Microsoft Teams, students and teachers can meet in virtual conference rooms, learn from anywhere, and personalize their learning experience. 5. Todoist. Todoist allows users to set priority levels for their tasks, mark favorite events, and use reminders for keeping track of their schedules. To personalize their task views, customers can also choose their boards, labels, filters, and themes. 6. Tide. Tide can enhance your sleep, focus, meditation, and breathing. The app suggests a feature called Sleep and Nap with the Sounds of Nature that provides natural sounds that can improve your sleep. Tide's Focus Timer combines the Pomodoro focusing method with natural white sounds that, together, can create immersive concentration. 7. Calendly. Calendly is designed for enhancing business communication and scheduling external meetings. The platform allows users to schedule meetings quickly without tons of unnecessary emails. Calendly allows you to set automated reminders and follow-ups, make more connections and reduce cancellations, and delight invitees with modern scheduling. 8. Hive. Hive is the all-in-one project management tool built for all ways of working. All tasks assigned to you within Hive are displayed within an easily accessible view and are logically grouped. Customers can use timesheets, time tracking tools, timelines, and time resourcing tools to be more effective in their work. 9. Uncork. Uncork is a computer software company that assists enterprises in finance, insurance, healthcare, and government. The company suggests its clients integrate all of their business data, increase productivity and innovation, and create new digital experiences. On the platform, you can find various solutions by industry, initiative, and role. For instance, the category Solutions by Initiative includes such options as Legacy Modernization, Cloud Migration Acceleration, Ecosystem Integration, Process Optimization, Digital Experience, Transformation, and Rapid Application Delivery. 10. Lantis. Lantis provides products relating to performance, engagements, OKRs and goals, analytics, and more. Lantis suggests solutions for various industries, such as technology, banks and credit unions, fintech, and more. Thank you for watching.